Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to place a test order on Shopify. So let's get started. To get started with Shopify, click the link in the description. This will take you to the Shopify homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up there. If you already have an account, just log in to access your dashboard. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard, which is where you'll manage all aspects of your store. This dashboard is the control center of your online business, allowing you to handle orders, products, payments, and more. Before we can place a test order, we need to set up a payment method. Even though we're running a test order, configuring the payment gateway correctly is essential for simulating the purchasing process. To do this, navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this option in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. The Settings section is where you control everything from your store's payment options to shipping rates and taxes. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Payments. This section is where you'll configure how your store processes payments from customers. For this tutorial, I've already set up a bogus gateway for testing purposes. This gateway is specifically designed to simulate transactions without processing real payments. It's an excellent tool for running test orders because it allows you to check if everything is functioning correctly without charging actual credit cards. Of course, when your store is live, you'll need to set up a proper payment gateway, such as PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify payments. These gateways allow you to accept real payments from customers using credit cards, debit cards, or even alternative payment methods like Google Pay or Apple Pay. However, for this tutorial, we'll stick to the test gateway. Currently, I've set up the payment gateway to process orders automatically. This means that when a customer places an order, the payment is automatically captured without any manual intervention. This is often the preferred setting for store owners because it streamlines the process, ensuring a smooth customer experience. Let me show you how to manage this setting and the bogus gateway itself. If I deactivate the bogus gateway, Shopify will only accept real payments through credit card transactions. To demonstrate, I'll deactivate the test payment gateway for a moment. This simulates what would happen in a live store where only real payment methods are enabled. After deactivating it, you can always reactivate it when needed for testing purposes. I've also set up a second payment method, cash on delivery, which is commonly used in many regions. Now that we've configured our payment methods, let's move on to placing a test order. This is where we can simulate what a customer would experience when purchasing from your store. Head over to the online store section where you'll see a preview of your storefront. Click Add to Cart button. You'll be directed to the checkout page. Here, you'll enter essential details like your email address, first name, last name, and shipping address. You can use any test information for this since it's not a real transaction. After filling in your information, you'll proceed to the payment page. If you're using the bogus gateway, you'll see options to simulate a successful payment, a failed payment, or other scenarios like a delayed transaction. Choose the option to simulate a successful payment, as this will help you confirm that the checkout process is functioning correctly. Once the test order is successfully placed, it will show up in your Shopify backend under the Orders section. Here, you'll be able to review all orders, including the one you just placed. Shopify allows you to see detailed information about the order, such as the customer's details, shipping information, and the payment status. By placing test orders, you can also check how your store's notifications work. For example, customers should receive an order confirmation email after placing their order, and you, as the store owner, will get a notification in your dashboard. Testing this ensures that your customers will have a smooth experience when they shop with you. You can repeat this process to test different payment methods like cash on delivery, or simulate credit and debit card payments using the bogus gateway. This is an excellent way to ensure your store is ready for real transactions. And that's how you can place a test order on Shopify. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for making sure your store is functioning properly before you start accepting real orders from customers. If you want to try placing a test order yourself, feel free to use the link to Shopify provided in the description below.